Thinking of launching your e-commerce brand or seeking a better print-on-demand partner than you are currently experiencing? Well, welcome to ARPOD, your gateway to unparalleled brand success. At ARPOD, rapid truly means rapid. Our state-of-the-art process guarantees that your orders are not just met, but exceeded with a turnaround time that's truly second to none. Seamlessly link ARPOD with your Shopify store, pick from a diverse range of products ready for your branding, and then kickstart your sales. We take it from there. The instant your customer places an order, it's in our hands. We print it, we pack it, and ship it all under your label. But what really sets us apart is our state-of-the-art tech that not only delivers the best in color and detail, but also passes a very stringent Nike wash test, which is truly a testament to the durability and quality we deliver. And with our model, you only pay for what you sell, ensuring every step is geared towards your profitability and brand growth. So embrace the future of e-commerce. Start or expand your online store with us without concerns of inventory and upfront costs. With ARPOD, you're set to sell more, stress less, and keep more of what you make. Your success story starts here.